What are UTI vaccines? A UTI vaccine works by teaching your immune system to fight off infections before they start. Instead of relying on antibiotics every time, your body could stop the infection on its own. Different types of UTI vaccines are being developed, including ones you swallow, get as a shot, apply vaginally, or spray under your tongue, sublingual. How does the sublingual UTI vaccine work? What's in it? It contains tiny amounts of the four main bacteria that cause UTIs: E. coli, Klebsiella pneumoniae, Proteus vulgaris, and Enterococcus faecalis, but these bacteria are killed, so they can't cause illness. How is it taken? A pineapple-flavored spray is placed under your tongue daily for 3 months. What does it do? It helps your immune system recognize and fight UTI-causing bacteria, offering long-term protection even after you stop using it. What do the studies show? Fewer infections. Research in the UK found that people who used the vaccine had up to 70 to 80% fewer UTIs over a year. Long-lasting protection. Unlike antibiotics, which stop working quickly after you stop taking them, the vaccine's effects can last for months or even years. Safe to use. Over 9 years of studies, very few side effects were reported, and they were mild. Why is this important? Antibiotics are becoming less effective because bacteria are learning to resist them, which is a major health problem worldwide. UTI vaccines could be a game changer, reducing the need for antibiotics and helping prevent antibiotic resistance. When will it be available? UTI vaccines aren't yet approved for routine use in the UK, but the results so far are promising. Doctors and researchers are working hard to make them an option for everyone in the future. What's next? More studies are being done to confirm how well UTI vaccines work over the long term and whether they can help even more people. If you struggle with recurrent UTIs, a vaccine like this could become a safe and effective alternative to antibiotics. For now, it's an exciting step toward better UTI prevention without the downsides of antibiotics. This is the end of the video. I hope you found it educational and informative. Please consider subscribing and sharing to help the channel grow. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.